Before I met Sean, I was seeking. I was looking for something to show me exactly what was wrong with me and how I could fix it. I was in multiple coaching programs. I saw a therapist every week. I saw a psychiatrist every month. And still, I was weighed down by the struggle in my own brain and not being able to know what I wanted or know how to get there or even know how to make myself feel better. I was absolutely blown away by what I learned, about myself, what I learned about my family, how I could see people differently than I had before, how I could see conflicts differently, how I could actually find healing for things that I had decided were never going to be healed, those were wounds that were going to scar and just never find growth and healing. And even some of the things Sean promised me I'd find healing in, I thought there's no way that I will ever see any real actionable results in that area. And so as I've worked with Sean, we're submersed in safety and comfort, but also accountability, and also someone who's going to hold you in total love and honesty at the same time, challenge your thinking, challenge your beliefs, and allow you to naturally come to the conclusions that can best save you, or the prescriptions that are your path to peace. And that has been absolutely phenomenal.